How to get $100 Home Depot promo code. For this, you have to go ahead and open a browser that you prefer. So right here, I'll be opening my Google search engine. So right here, you have to search for Home Depot promo codes and give it a search. You will find a lot of websites dealing with the Home Depot promo code, and you can use any one from here. For an example, I'll be selecting the first one. So Home Depot has become one of the leading home improvement retailer, offering a vast selection of tools, hardware, appliances, and building materials. It also has located stores and online shopping options, making it easier for you to improve your home and accessible as well. To get the promo codes of Home Depot, you have to go ahead and select any one from these options. In the top dialog box, you can also enter your email address so that you will never miss out offers and promo codes of Home Depot as well. Now go ahead and select any of the coupon that is fascinating to you and then tap on View Coupon. Now copy the coupon code. If you want to use it instantly, tap on Visit the Home Depot page. Then, when you are checking out after a purchase of the item, make sure to use this promo code on the promo code dialog box. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.